Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? आप सब कैसे हो? I hope you all are doing good. Hello. Hi, everyone. Manika, switch on the camera. Come on. Manika, Pihu, Parishi, Ridhan. And no, anyone is not allowed to sit with their camera off. No one is allowed to sit with their camera off. I'm going to remove you. Okay? Chalo. So, kids, now let's start the class with welcome song. Come on. Start kare? Start. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today as it's a special day. Welcome everyone. I'm repeating it one more time. No one is allowed to sit in the class with their camera off. Ruhan, Pihu, and Ayana. Switch on the camera. I'm going to remove you otherwise from the class. Yes. Now we'll sing God's Love. Come on. Start everyone. Singing God's Love. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high. We can't get over it. So high. We can't get over it. So deep. We can't get under it. So deep. We can't get under it. So wide. We can't get around it. So wide. We can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. All right, kids. Now come on, stand up for warm-up exercises. Come on. Everyone means everyone in the class. Puneet, Ruhan, why I have to ask everyone to stand? Come on, stand up. Pramukh and Puneet, you want me to remove you from the class? Stand up. Come on. Now, stretch your arms and clap. Stretch your arms and clap. Clap, 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 clap. Okay. Now, wiggle your fingers. Wiggle it slowly, 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 and then fast. Wiggle fast. Wiggle fast. Okay. Now, keep both the hands on your waist. आपके दोनों हाथ आपकी कमर पे रखो. Now, jump, 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 jump. Very nice. Now, stretch your arms. Now we have to move our wrist only. Do not move your hands, move your wrist. Come on. Move your wrist. Okay. All right. Now, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Again, raise your hand higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Again, one more time. Raise your hands higher and bend. Try to touch your feet. Okay. Now kids, sit down. Sit. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Now, let's talk about the date and the day. So, kids, today the day is Friday. What is the day today? Friday. What is the day? Today is Friday. And the date is 16 July 2021. The date is 16 July 2021. Okay. All right. So kids, ma'am had told you about the weekdays. है ना, आपको मैंने बताया था कि वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं. So tell me how many days are there in a week? एक वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं? Yes, Ridhan. 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Okay, now let's say together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Sunday is a holiday. Okay. All right, kids. Now, come on, move to our work. So, get your mathematics copy. We'll do our maths work. We'll do again what comes before. हमने जो करा था हमारी previous class में, which we had done in our previous class. So, what do you mean by before? What do you mean by before? Before मतलब क्या होता है? गर्व व्यू से, अनम्यूट एंड से. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. You tell me what do you mean by before? Before numbers मतलब क्या होता है?
Before number मतलब क्या होता है? Before लिखते ना तुम, before मतलब क्या होता है? बोलो बता. क्या होता है?
Before मतलब
पहले.
पहले.
बोलो मैं बता. पहले बोलो. पहले बताओ मैं. Before मतलब क्या होता है?
Before मतलब पहले. ठीक है?
अरे पहले. क्या होता है पहले?
It's okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, it's okay. बेटा, before मतलब होता है पहले. ठीक है? Yes. Sorry. So, we'll do before numbers. The meaning of before is पहले. What comes before मतलब होता है पहले. मैंने आपको example भी दिया था. I had given you example in our previous class that suppose it is written number 3 here. तो हमें लिखना है कि number 3 के पहले कौन सा number आता है. Before मतलब पहले. Before मतलब पहले. 3 के पहले कौन सा number आता है. So for writing before, you have to say reverse counting. आप जब reverse counting बोलोगे, so it becomes easy for you to write down the before numbers. 3. So what comes before 3? Chalo, we'll say the reverse counting together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and then 2. So what comes before 3? नंबर 2. 3 के पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? 2. ओके, सो दिस इज बिफोर. बिफोर मतलब पहले. सो गेट योर कॉपी एंड राइट डाउन टुडेज डेट. Before starting your any work, you have to write the date of that day. ठीक है? You should write the date first before starting any work. So write down today's date, that is 16/7/2021. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैम ने तो कहा था कि जुलाई चल रहा है, तो why it is written 7 here? तो जुलाई जो है वो 7th नंबर का मंथ है, 7th नंबर पर आता है. That's why we have written 7 here in the date. Okay, July is the 7th month. So instead of July, we have written 7 here. So come on, mothers, do not write. Let them write. You do not help, please. It's a request. Let them write. तो बच्चों आपको समझ में आया? बिफोर स्टार्टिंग एनी वर्क, कोई भी काम करने से पहले आपको कॉपी में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द डेट. आफ्टर राइटिंग डेट यू शुड स्टार्ट योर वर्क. Come on, write neatly. Ayana, yes, Ayana. Lokendra, listen. Again and again, I am not going to say switch on the camera. Now this is the last time I am telling. जिसका कैमरा मुझे ऑफ मिला, either you give any genuine reason for that कि हमने इसलिए कैमरा ऑफ करा है, or else I'll remove you from the class. So let's start. Come on. So the first one is 8. We have to write down which number comes before 8. Yes. So let's say the reverse counting together. 10, 9, 8, and then 7. So which number comes before 8? Number 7. कौन सा नंबर आता है 8 के पहले? 7. Ma'am, we are doing before numbers again. We are revising it. Which number comes before 8? 7. 7 comes before 8. Write down. Then number 2. Okay, so let's say the reverse counting. 10, 9. You all repeat with ma'am. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So what comes before number 2? Number 1. कौन सा नंबर आएगा 2 के पहले? Number 1. When you learn reverse counting, no, It's become really easy for you to write before numbers. Write down neatly. Done? Shall we move next now? Okay. The next number is 6. So we have to say which number comes before 6. What comes before number 6? So come on, say the reverse counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. What comes before number 6? Number 5. Number 5. Seven comes before number 8. 1 comes before number 2. And 5 comes before number 6. Now, the next number is 1, 0, 10. So, start the reverse counting. 10 and 9. What comes before number 10? Number 9. What comes before number 10? Number 9. Pihu, Pihu, where are you? I can't see you. Pihu, adjust the camera in the way that I can see each and everyone. Sit properly. Pihu, you are a good girl, no? Come on, beta. Done? Up to here? So these are before numbers. All right. So ma'am don't have space here, so I'm writing it there. Okay? But you have to write in continuity. आपको एक के नीचे एक लिखना है. Then 3. So what comes before number 3? So let's start reverse counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and before 3, 2, number 2. What comes before 3? Number 2. Three. Okay. The next number is 7. So we have to write what number comes before 7. So for that, say reverse counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, and 6. When we learn the reverse counting, when you are going to learn the reverse counting, then it becomes easy for you to write down the before numbers. So, which number comes before 7? 6. Seven comes before. Sorry, 6 comes before 7. 7 के पहले आता है number 6. Okay, done. Now we move to next. Chalo, the next one is number 4. So now you have to start reverse counting again for writing before number. Chalo, let's start. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3. So 4 के पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? What comes before number 4? 3. 3 comes before number 4. Number 4 के पहले आता है number 3. Write down neatly. And the last one is number 9. So, come on. Say the reverse counting. As ma'am told you earlier also, that when you learn reverse counting, it becomes easy for you to write down the before numbers. So, 10, 9, and 8. So, what comes before number 9? Number 8. Okay, so these are before numbers. Chalo, come on. Now, I'll check the copies. The title of the rhyme is I Hear Thunder. Come on. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops. Pitter patter raindrops. I am wet through. I am wet through. Chalo, come on one more time. Again. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops. Pitter patter raindrops. I am wet through. I am wet through. Okay, kids. All right.